Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to save or export only filtered data from Excel to CSV file with VBA code. Here I can create a VBA code for helping you export the filtered data to CSV file quickly and conveniently. Hold down the Alt F11 keys to open the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications window. Click on Insert tab, click on Module, and paste the following VBA code into the module window. Then press the F5 key to run this code, and a prompt box has popped out to remind you to select the filtered data that you want to save as CSV file only. Then click the OK button, and another box is popped out to remind you to specify a file name and location for your CSV file. And then click the Save button, and only the filtered data is saved as a CSV file. As you can see, the link to the VBA code is provided in the video description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.